It was a dark and cloudy night in the whispering woods. The moon was hidden and thick clouds covered the stars. A group of animals, Max the rabbit, Bella the deer, Ollie the owl, were returning home after gathering berries and nuts. They had taken a shortcut through the woods, but where they were going. "This is hopeless," Max groaned. "I can't see a thing." "Me neither," Bella added, her voice trembling. "Let me think," said Ollie, who was usually the smartest of the group, but even the clever owl was at a loss in the pitch darkness. Suddenly, a tiny glow appeared in the distance, growing brighter as it came closer. It was a small firefly, known for his soft, gentle light. He stopped in front of the group and said, "You all look lost. Can I help?" The animals laughed. "Help us? With that tiny light?" Max scoffed. "You're just a firefly." Bella, sensing the sincerity in Few's voice, said, "Let's give him a chance. We have nothing to lose." The other animals agreed, and Few flew ahead, his tiny light illuminating just a few steps at a time. At first, the animals complained, "This is so slow, I still can't see much." But Few remained calm and patient, leading them one small step at a time. "We made it!" Max exclaimed. The group turned to Few, who hovered modestly with his light still glowing softly. Bella stepped forward and said, "Thank you, Few. You showed us that even the smallest light can make a big difference." Few said, "I'm just glad I could help." From that night on, the animals of the Whispering Woods never underestimated Few again. Moral: never underestimate the power of small but meaningful contributions.